Assalamualaikum everyone, it's Mr. Festival and I'm from English Language Center, Bangladesh. My batch number is PET 105. So today I'm going to speak about food adulteration. So let's start it. Well guys, nowadays good health is a very important thing which we need in our life. But this is found in a very low amount of people. Many people right now are like suffering from many types of diseases and others. People are going to hospitals and other places to get their medical treatment. Nowadays in hospitals we cannot get enough medical treatment, and because there are huge amount of people, um, to which there are many types of problems and diseases. Well guys, in our society right now there are more problems in the teenagers and adult people than the people who are up than 60 or 70 years. But I think that the problem should be solved. Well guys, do you know what is the main reason of this problem? The main reason is the food adulteration. Well, the food adulteration means the contamination of food. If we mix something harmful into the food and eat it by mistake, then it causes food adulteration. It may cause many injuries to our health and also may cause various types of serious problems. And it can also lead up to cancer and other many problems. Well, guys, do you think that it is a necessary thing in our country to prevent this thing? Yes guys, this is a very important thing to prevent in our country, because nowadays we are getting more affected by the harmful diseases and cancers by the food adulteration, and also people are getting more prone to cancers. Well guys, there are many problems of the food adulteration, and some of them are serious health hazards. If we eat something contaminated, and it can also cause our serious health hazards. We can lead up to cancers, we can lead up to tumors and other diseases. There are nutritional deficiency. Well, if a newborn baby doesn't get enough nutrients, will the baby grow up properly? No, they will suffer from malnutrition. So I think this is a very necessary thing to prevent the nutrition in the food. Well, the next thing is economic loss. Due to the food adulteration, economic loss can be seen in our country, and the government must work in this regard. There are also loss of consumer trust. Well guys, if you buy a food from a shop and then bring it home, and then if you eat it then, and if you find that there are some more problems in the food and it has cost because of that food which you bought from that shop, then will you go to that shop again? No, because you will think that the shop has mixed something contaminated into the food, but no, you are fully wrong. And the main problem is the person who imported this into the shop has mixed something with the food. So it creates a loss in the market of the shop, and the shop seller may also